at the 19th annual Avey's Chili Cookoff. Every year, the city of Cat Spring puts together a chili cook-off to benefit someone that's going through something. And I'm here today to be a judge for who's got the best chili. Let's go. So in your opinion, what makes a great chili?
I'd say simplicity.
Okay. So when I start tasting these, because this is my first chili cook-off competition.
There is a guideline, and it gives you, I think for chili there's 5 categories. I think it's appearance, aroma, taste, aftertaste, and something else.
Aftertaste.
And well, sometimes chilies will have a little kick. I mean, they might seem mild, and then 2 seconds later it's like, ooh. So
lights you up. I can't wait to get started.
For some reason, she put margaritas first this year.
Oh
so
no.
It might get
So I'm also going to be judging margaritas. Is that what you're telling me?
You don't have to, but typically the judges do margaritas, beans, cornbread, and the chili.
It's going to be fun. My stomach is really going to be excited. It's going to be fun. My stomach is really going to be excited. My stomach is really going to be excited. My stomach is really going to be excited.
I was wondering if you were bringing some Pepto or
no.
Whatever.
So I was under the impression that this was only going to be a chili thing, but we start off with margaritas, then we go to cornbread, then we go to beans, and then we go to chili. So I'm gonna have to pace myself in order to get through this successfully. Let's go meet the cooks, or is it the chefs? Let's go check them out. What's y'all's take on beans? Beans or no beans?
I got beans.
I'm sorry, sir. Did you say Texas chili needs beans in it? I like that. I approve of that message 100%. So what's your secret to the best chili?
Just stand here and stir it and drink. That's the best.
What's the secret to your chili?
What's the secret?
Yeah.
Can't tell you.
Oh, okay.
I think it's the
That's why
secret.
it's a secret.
That'd be sticking split in it. No, a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
All right.
And don't measure nothing. Of course, the magic part is the finger.
But that's where the finger been.
We just love doing this, especially when it's a benefit for people or for a function or a foundation. We do the cook-offs and stuff all the time, but when it's something like that, it really means a lot. So we just feel like in that way, God's on our side. So he's gonna give us a thumbs up. Yes, get me another beer, Tommy.
So we were in there.
You don't want to hear from me.
Well, there's no rhyme or reason over here. In a few minutes, I'll put the cornbread in here and we'll put it on the pit.
Nice. So that's ground
Hamburger meat, ranch-style beans, rotel, corn, taco seasoning, and that's it.
Nice.
Well, he has his side, and I have my side. You know which one's ours.
Yes. I'm following you, girl.
2019 we won first place, and then the last 2 years we've tied for first place. Yeah, this is turned into a big event, and it's awesome. It's a great turnout, good people, great support, and good communities.
Hybrid, it's like a little booty thing. If you want some booty, we'll give you, because you look nice enough.
Kind of booty.
There you go, have some booty.
Oh, nice. How long have y'all been doing this?
Oh man, how long, Rick?
Long time.
Probably close to 20 years.
Yeah,
Probably 20 years.
Yeah. How many times have y'all won first place?
Probably a dozen.
Yeah. First step, margaritas. Second step, beans. Third, cornbread. Last but not least, chili. Hopefully, my sensitive stomach can walk out of here with dignity.
Hey, y'all don't have too much fun now. Chili.
Hey, how are you?
Everybody listen up for a minute if you would please. While we're waiting for the final margaritas to come in, y'all have your sheets. We'll go through here in just a little bit. We'll tell you what your numberings will be for the samples. The samples will be marked on the side of it and on the lid itself.
Over 25 margaritas were on the table at this year's Avey's Chili Cook-Off. And let me tell you, some of them were absolutely exceptional. There were bursts of lime, hints of salt, and just the right kick to make you say, I'll have another. But of course, there were others that, well, let's just say they gave me a great buzz. Whether they were top shelf or just a little too much tequila, they all had one thing in common. They definitely kept the judges going. It's really hot in here. Man, some of these are rough.
I got it. Ready up.
Beans, right?
Then it was on to the beans, and wow, there were some great ranch style beans that impressed the judges. But I've got to be honest, there were a few that missed the mark, leaving me wondering about the color and the taste. Maybe they needed a little more Texas love.
Oh, I gave her.
Oh wow, bacon makes everything
Try to help you out a little bit.
Oh my gosh, it's loaded with pork love.
All right. Good. Turn chili in here. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Next up was a Texas-style cornbread. Now this was a real culinary journey. Some of the Chili Cook-Off contestants went with the classic cornbread we all know and love, but a few contestants took a risk and got creative, adding things like jalapenos, cheese, and even bacon. And then there were a few that, well, I wouldn't even feed to my dog. It was a real solid round of highs and lows. Last but not least, the chili. Wow. We had some 5-star chili that had us all thinking, where can we get more of this? It was smooth, flavorful, and packed a punch. But as always, there were a few that were rough around all the edges. Too much heat, too much texture, not quite hitting the mark. What? Where did that come from?
Oh, you got a bunch more. You can bring them
What? Some people really like to use a lot of extra, like they might like to make their chili extra greasy. Something that smells like cornmeal chili to me. After all the judging was done, it was time to head to the hall and congratulate the winners, check out the auction, and most importantly, help raise funds for this year's benefactor.
How's that roofing lady doing? 400. Right now, 4. 25. Let's go 30. Hey now, 25, 30. And now, 40. Now, I got it here. I have. You got 30. Hey now, 40. 500.
Get your tickets out. Let's see who won these awards.
This year we had 20 judges and 8 staff. There were 53 margarita entries, 62 beans, 48 cornbread, and 71 chili entries for a total of 234 products turned in this year. 65 teams.
It was another incredible year at Avey's Chili Cook-Off, and I can't wait for the next one, and I hope to see you there.